Hi Derek, this is Jim Gillis with Win My Vote, and thanks so much for linking in. Wanted to invite you to create a group page here on Win My Vote and become a trusted source. Win My Vote is a voter engagement site. So if you think of Facebook as being a social engagement site, Win My Vote is a civic engagement site where a voter can go up, they can sign up for free. They just put their zip code in, and that zip code will place them in specific voting districts. And if there's any conflict or overlap with districts, we have some tools on the sign up page to make sure that they get into the correct district. And with that, we can create a sample ballot where it can go from the national level, down. Sorry about that, down through the state, and then into the districts and county board of supervisors, all the way down to school board races and even BART board races and that type of stuff. What we also have here is the propositions and the measures. So for example, and I'll use this is just a demo ballot, so 55 is built out. I know that you're on your 59. But if I were to click on 55, I would see a summary here. Actually, in the next day or so, we're updating it so that right about here, you'll see a neutral video. It's a 60-second recap of each proposition done by a television station down in LA that's neutral and nonpartisan, and they did a really good job. So we'll feature them here, and then you'll have your yes and no vote here. And these yes and no will be based on what are called trusted sources. So I, as a voter, have to choose the California Teachers Association, and then I'll see where they stand, and if they have a written or a video endorsement or position on that proposition, then that's what I'll see right here. This is an example of trusted sources, and you can scroll through and see the different groups and organizations, and that's what you guys would do. And building one is real simple. You just sign up and you can create a group, and they put the name of the group in. I'll put I think I've done a couple of these now, so let's say Jim's Test Group 4, and I'll say we're interested in state issues, and that's it. And then I hit save, and it says you got that name, and then I can go here and I can just choose a file off of my computer. And again, it's super simple. I'll just use this picture. Maybe we'll crop it a little, and that will be my logo. I can put my Facebook URL in there. I can put a motto. Put every group, and that will be displayed there. This is volunteer and messaging and donating. These are just URLs. So if you have a website that's set up to take donations, just put the URL in there, hit save, and then when the user is on this page looking at what you have to say and they want to donate, they can just click there and it will just go straight to your donation page. This right here is where you'd put your main video. You just click video, and then you just cut and paste the YouTube share URL in there, and it will play, and then your Twitter feed will go right here. So I'll just give you a quick example. This is, oops, sorry. So that's our Twitter handle, and then it would just display the tweets there. And I'll do a quick one here. I'll see what we come up with. Sorry I didn't get this ready, but I've been doing these all day, one after the other. So hopefully there'll be, yeah, we'll see some messy highlights. So this is the share URL right there. As a matter of fact, okay, so this is, well, I'll just do this really quickly as an example. This is the site that I told you about that we're going to be having
targets a major Supreme
featured
Court
as a
ruling,
neutral
Citizens United.
video.
In 2010, the court ruled you can't limit.
I'll show you how this works. So what you would do is that you would grab your video and you would do a cut and paste in there, and you'd hit save, and that would be it. And then when the user clicked on it,
Prop 59 in 59 seconds. Prop 59 targets a major Supreme Court ruling, Citizens United. In 2010, the court ruled you can't limit how much money corporations or organizations.
And that's it. And then here, what you would do is when you wanted to endorse, Proposition 59, you would go here and you click on, this is state and local propositions and measures. You choose California. You would choose Proposition 59, and you would say, we're going to vote yes on it. You would say, do you want to do a video or a written endorsement? And you would say video. You click there, and that would be it. And then that would be displayed on all the voters that selected you as a trusted source. It would be displayed on their ballot. So we'd love to talk with you a little bit more about it. And again, it's all free. You can sign up free, build the group page for free, and make endorsements for free. And I can talk with you about some other stuff if you want to have it in other places and do those types of things. We can get real creative. So thanks.